In this video, I'm going to show you how to set your Firefox homepage in just a few easy steps. Whether you want Firefox to open the default start page, a specific website, or even a blank page, this guide will walk you through the entire process. If this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech videos just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. Once the browser is open, look to the top right corner and click the menu button with the three horizontal lines. This opens the main Firefox menu where you can access your browser settings and preferences. From the menu, click Settings. This will take you to the Firefox settings page where you can customize how the browser behaves when it opens and what page it shows you first. On the left sidebar, click Home. This is the section where Firefox lets you control your homepage, new window behavior, and startup options. It's the area you'll use to change what appears whenever Firefox launches. Under the section labeled Homepage and New Windows, click the drop-down menu. You'll now see several choices available to you. The first option is Firefox Home, which is the default Firefox start page. This usually shows helpful shortcuts, search, and recent activity. The second option is custom URLs, which allows you to choose a specific website to load as your homepage. The third option is blank page, which opens a completely empty page whenever Firefox starts. If you want to use your own website, select custom URLs. Then click inside the text box and enter or paste the full website address. Make sure the address is correct, including the HTTPS if needed, so Firefox knows exactly where to go. Once you choose your option and enter your homepage, the setting is already applied. After that, simply close the Settings tab. To make sure everything worked properly, restart Firefox or click the Home button in the browser. If your new page appears, then your homepage has been set successfully, and that's it. You've now learned how to set your Firefox homepage in a few simple steps. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more useful tutorials, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.